Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, turn off the wall switch and the circuit breaker, then verify with a non-contact tester, safety first. Once confirmed, set a stable ladder beneath the fan and lay out tools, screwdriver, replacement bulb, matching base and max wattage, gloves, and a cloth. Make sure to remove loose jewelry and secure long hair. As you climb, hold the shade with one hand. This prevents drops. Once you're positioned, identify whether the light uses a dome, glass shade, or individual globes so you know how to remove it. With the shade supported, loosen retaining screws or unclip the ring evenly so it doesn't tilt and fall. Once the shade is free, set it safely on the ladder or a padded surface. Unscrew or unbayonet the old bulb using gloves. This prevents oils and protects you from breaks. Inspect the socket for corrosion or loose wires. If present, note it for later. Now insert the correct replacement bulb, seating it fully. Make sure it's the rated size and wattage. Then gently refit the shade, aligning any tabs or mounts. Reattach the shade by tightening screws evenly. Finger tight plus a small quarter turn is enough to prevent cracks. Once assembled, climb down and restore power at the circuit breaker, then test the light and fan controls. If the light fails to come on or flickers, turn power back off and recheck bulb seating and the socket for debris, corroded contacts, or loose wire nuts. If wiring looks damaged, stop and call a licensed electrician. Otherwise, a loose screw or mismatched bulb is usually the culprit. Replace and retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.